Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you one of the most delicious and healthy recipe, that is egg broccoli fry. And if you're not a subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's quickly note down the ingredients required to make this recipe. 1 cup of broccoli chopped into small pieces, 2 eggs, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 2 green chilies slit, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's see the preparation. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a preheated pan. Once the oil is heated up, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they start to crackle, add onions, green chilies and fry until the onions turn slightly brown in color. Now add ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add the powder spices, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. Mix everything well and add broccoli pieces and a very little amount of water. Give it a good mix, close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame and stir in between. After 3 minutes, just mix it once again and add eggs. Do not mix it immediately, just leave it for 30 seconds and then add salt. Now gently stir and fry for a minute on medium flame. Now you can see that the broccoli pieces are nicely coated with eggs. Now turn off the flame. That's it. A healthy and tasty egg broccoli fry is done and ready. Enjoy it with fulka, chapati, roti or any kind of Indian flatbread. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.